Well, Hormuz is now joining us with the big movers on Friday, which saw some of the heavy volumes. What's behind the price action? Hormuz, tell us more.
Good morning, Prashant. As a public transport user speaking to two bike riders as of now, but shrimp feed stocks continue to move higher all through last week. Avanti Feeds was one. Apex Frozen's turn on Friday and snapped a two-day losing streak. Friday's volumes were the highest on record. Over 1.5 crore shares have been traded on that stock on Friday, but out of those 1.5 crore, only 12.5 lakh shares were marked for delivery, and compared to the 20-day average of just over 1 lakh. And the stock has done well in the last 1 month. It's up 33%, and as a result of which it has also turned positive on a year-to-date basis. VLS Finance is a small cap stock, is a market cap of less than 1,000 crore. It's gained in 6 out of the last 7 sessions, but ever since it made that buyback announcement last week, the volumes have been on a downtrend every single day. And from around 8 lakh shares that were traded on last Monday during the buyback announcement, last Friday saw only 90,000 shares traded. That was even below the 20-day average. And the delivery volumes were also lesser than the 20-day average. Stock is in the stage 1 of the ASM framework as well. So VLS Finance is one. And lastly, DCM Shriram has snapped a 4-day losing streak on Friday, and it's a very interesting trend here. One single day every month over the last 3 months, the stock has had outsized moves and outsized volumes. Now on Friday, the stock was up 8%, over 30 lakh shares traded. On the 29th of October too, the stock was up 8% with over 32 lakh shares traded. And on the 17th of September, the stock was up 12% with over 40 lakh shares traded. The last two of them, barring the October move, which was in reaction to the earnings, the other two moves don't have a specific reaction to it. Even on Friday, or 30 lakh shares traded, 20-day average of 2.2 lakh. But out of those 31.5 lakh shares traded, only 1 lakh shares were marked for delivery. That was also around about the 20-day average of around 35,000 shares. So some outsized moves on DCM Shriram, but delivery volumes being significantly lesser.
Okay, interesting stats there, Hormaz, and we'll keep some of these stocks on the radar as well.